Okay, now let's create a pulley like this. Now let's create the basic shape for the pulley. That is this shape. So first I will open Fusion. Then let's create the basic shape. I will click Create Sketch. Then choose the front plane, that is this plane. Click it. Now draw a shape that is similar to a one. So I will click this line tool. Click it. Click it. Click. Okay. Click it. Then press Escape key. And then now from solid, create, revolve. And then I will choose this shape. So now you can see there are two options: profile, this one is selected. Now I have to select one axis for rotation, revolution. So I will click select, then this one. Okay, now our shape is created. If I want to adjust the size or the amount of revolution, I can use this hand tool, or I can write the degree here. For the full rotation I will write 360. Now click OK.